Welcome to Math with Mrs. Bibb. I'm going to simplify polynomials now. Remember, to simplify means to get rid of the parentheses. In this case, I'm going to multiply these two binomials. In this case, I'm going to multiply a monomial and a trinomial. In this case, I'm going to add these two trinomials. And in this case, I'm going to subtract these two trinomials. So let's talk about how we would go about doing this. I'm going to distribute 2x to x minus 3. 2x times the quantity x minus 3. I'm going to distribute positive 1 to the quantity x minus 3. Positive 1 to the quantity x minus 3. Now we distribute 2x times x. That's 2x squared because x times x, x to the first times x to the first, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. Positive 1 times x is positive 1x. Positive 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. And now I combine like terms. Simplify means to get rid of the parentheses and then combine like terms. There's not a like term to go with this one, so I'll write it down. 2x squared. Negative 6x and positive 1x are like terms. Negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5x. And negative 3, this constant, does not have a like term, so this trinomial is my answer. On to the next one. I'm going to distribute 2x squared to 3x. 2 times 3 is 6. X squared times x squared is x to the fourth power. 2 times 5 is 10, positive 10. X squared times x to the first power is x to the third power. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. X squared does not have anything to multiply with, so it will be in my answer. And that trinomial is my product of that monomial times the trinomial. Now I'm going to add these two trinomials together. How do you add two trinomials? You add like terms. 6x squared has a like term with 10x squared. 6x squared plus 10x squared is 16x squared. 9x has a like term with negative 3x. 9x plus negative 3x is positive 6x. Negative 2 has a like term with negative 12. Negative 2 plus negative 12 is negative 14. And that trinomial, oh, I left off my square. That trinomial is my answer for a trinomial plus a trinomial. I'm going to run out of time for this one, so I will just say